Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Microsoft Store with the account you'll use to buy apps or redeem credit. Once done, open the Store app on Windows or go to Account. Microsoft. Com to manage payments. Make sure you have the Visa gift card number, expiration date, and CVV in front of you because you'll enter them directly. Also check the card balance or activation status beforehand so you know how much purchasing power you have before moving to payment entry. Next, navigate to Payment and Billing and choose payment options in your Microsoft account so you can add the Visa gift card. Select Add a Payment option and pick Credit or Debit Card, then enter the card number, expiration, CVV, and a billing address. Use the address the card issuer expects. Once you save it, the store can use this card for purchases. If the store refuses the card, make sure numbers are correct and the card is activated, or try a different billing address format. When you're ready to buy, select the app, game, or item and proceed to checkout. Pick your newly added Visa gift card as the payment method. If the card balance doesn't cover the full amount, Microsoft will prompt for an additional payment option. Split payments may not always be allowed, so be ready with a backup card. If a transaction fails, verify the card is activated, confirm the exact balance, and if needed, contact the card issuer or Microsoft support to resolve billing or authorization.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.